Welcome back to another home tour. I've got something pretty special for you today. If you can't guess, we're in Rabbit Run today at an absolutely gorgeous home here in the Broken Arrow area. And let me tell you, this home has so many features, you are gonna love it. So stay tuned, let's start this tour. Right inside, you're in the foyer, want you to notice these floor to ceiling windows, absolutely stunning with that chunky molding, gives it that nice, robust look. You have archways throughout as well, which is a very nice upgrade, what gives it that luxurious feel. And you have these huge picture windows that let in so much natural light. It is amazing. In the formal dining, stunning space here. Some things to note, you do of course have the archways again, but you also have the pop of color up there, which is a fabulous upgrade, which really elevates the space. In our main living space, we have got these gorgeous beams as well as a massive stone fireplace, but take note, it does have nice white mortar in between, which sticks with that overall cohesiveness of that light airy of the home, which I think is great, but still bringing in those warm tones so it doesn't feel like that sterile gray and white ultra-modern home, and keeps it homey while also keeping that luxury feel. This is a gas fireplace as well, so you can start it with just the touch of a button, super convenient. And also notice again, you have all these picture windows across the back that are letting in so much natural light, but these are patio homes, but they're built with privacy in mind, which means all these windows here, you can see how they're facing the wall, and the windows that are open on the neighbor's house are opaque, so they actually can't see through them. So privacy in mind, but let's keep going. There's a lot more to see. In the kitchen, the hub of the house, you've got stainless steel appliances, a granite countertop, and of course, you have tons of storage. So come over here, you need to see this. We've got an absolutely massive counter depth refrigerator, which does stay, but one of the really cool things about this house is you have dual pantries. So we have this one, but you've also got an identical one on the other side. Now this seller uses the other one as kind of a mini butler pantry, so all the coffee equipment, all of your big kitchen appliances, all that stuff that you want to hide away is all in here, but it's still accessible. So you got a whole coffee station, mixer, all that stuff. If you don't want to dirty your other counter, you can keep it all hidden in here, which I think is a great feature. Also notice all of the storage. So all these drawers come open. They're nice and deep for all your pots and pans. Amazing feature. Obviously gas range, which everybody wants. And then over here, you do have a ton more storage as well. Of course, your trash, but 2 more storage bins. And you've got microwave, oven. What more could you want? It's the perfect kitchen. If you like to entertain, no home is complete without your own wine bar, but obviously, even if you're not into wine, you can throw whatever beverage you want in there. But I think it's a nice little touch that adds a little bit extra to this home. If you're like me, once you sit down in your favorite chair, you don't want to have to get back up to just the fan. So every single fan in this home does come with its own remote, which is obviously one of the features that I think you just have to have if you're going to call it a luxury home. Now, this home does come with some great features like energy efficiency. It's spray foam insulation, so you do get a significantly lower electric bill than other homes of similar size. You do have a security system as well, and if you are into entertainment, you actually have 5 TV jacks in this home for all of your entertainment needs. Moving through the hallway here, we do have dual pocket doors into your generously sized laundry room, and coming back into the primary bedroom, you have loads of space in here, even room for your own little sitting area nook so you can enjoy your coffee or favorite beverage in the morning and soak in some of that natural light from those gorgeous picture windows. Do take note of the crown molding up there, absolutely gorgeous. But let's keep going, there's still a lot more to see. You have this stunning upgrade barn door that wasn't a standard feature in these homes. And check out this spa bath. Come on, you're gonna love it. You have these gorgeous countertops. So we've got dual vanities, great lighting up there, shaker style cabinets, and then absolutely massive shower here. You do have the built-in bench which I think is a great addition. Huge tub, obviously toilet area as well. And then we're going to check out the primary closet in a second, but you do have this second closet as well, which is great. You know, maybe someone in your life doesn't have as much clothes as you, take the bigger one, but you still have extra space as well as all this other vanity space in this bath. So it is a pretty sweet setup. On the other side of the laundry room is another pocket door, which leads you into the primary closet, which, check this out. If you can fill this, you might have too much clothes, just saying. So all of the closet for hanging, not closet, hanging storage, but then you also have pull downs as well if you need even more space, but you can still access those. You have the shelving up here, but again, natural lighting in here at the top, which I think is really great. And then there is a shoe rack on the end, but also behind you is another shoe rack as well. And then of course you do have a built-in full-length mirror, which is also a great feature, which you kind of need in your primary closet. Now this does connect to the laundry like you saw, but it also connects to the primary bedroom. So it's that snooze feature that I talk about in a lot of my videos. But there's still a little bit more to see. We still have 2 more bedrooms, a flex space, and the outside. So let's keep going. So on the other side of the house, we have, of course, your garage entrance. I'm not going to go in there because it's packed with moving boxes. But if you follow me through here, you do have that second full bath, which would also serve as your powder bath or guest bath. Great closet in here, lots of counter space and storage as well. And then the toilet's behind this door, but you know, toilets look like toilets. You don't really need to see that. But really great shower here with the built-in bench again, which is a great feature. Now, something to note, these hallways are extremely wide. The home is built for ADA compliance. So if you're moving into this neighborhood, it's 55 plus, but it's really not. Obviously, you can't discriminate by age. So as long as more than 80% of the neighborhood is 55 or older, that other 20% is left over for people that maybe aren't 55 yet. But because it is built with retirement in mind, this home has wide hallways, and also on the floor, you have no transition pieces and also into that shower as well. So if you did get to that stage in life where you had a wheelchair or stuff like that, it is easily accessible. Also in the garage, there is a ramp that comes in as well. So there's no threshold you have to force a wheelchair over. So it's a really nice feature built, you know, if this is your forever home, you don't have to worry about moving. So let's keep going though. Here's one of the bedrooms. Don't really have to go in there, but bedroom here. This room in here is probably my favorite feature. So it is set up as an office right now, and it works beautifully for that. You do have 2 closets here as well as a 3rd closet on this side. But what makes this great is you could use it as a bedroom if you wanted. This is a queen size Murphy bed. It does come with the mattress. Really easy to take it down. For time's sake, I'm not gonna do it right now. But if you have guests come over, like I said, most people that live here are gonna be retiring ages, so they probably don't have kids, but you need a place for your guests to stay. So if family comes and visits you, you have an extra bed built in, which is great, or you can leave it as an office. So it's a great flex space, and I think it works really well. Another great thing about this office is the fact that these front picture windows are facing the street. So you can see whoever's coming into your house if you're waiting for somebody while you're working, but also it's actually a pretty great view. Rabbit Run does have some pretty stunning landscaping. Obviously the HOA is taking care of that, but to me, I think it's pretty nice rather than looking at a brick wall or something else that's maybe not so sightly. Remember, like I was talking about molding at the very beginning, you do have moldings on top of all the door frames, but also crown moldings throughout. It's one of those luxury features that you just don't see in a lot of newer homes, and that's what makes this home so desirable. All the low maintenance things, the energy features, the neighborhood, which we haven't even really got to the perks of the neighborhood, but if you're thinking of making a move, this could be the home that you've been waiting for. Is this not the most gorgeous dining table you've ever seen? Like I want it. Anyway, real quick, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving the Tulsa area and its surrounding communities like this amazing Rabbit Run in Broken Arrow where we are today. But if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa area, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. And of course, if you're liking this video as well as other content about the area, cool things to do and see in the Tulsa community, hey, you're in the right place. Like and subscribe for more. But with that, let's continue this tour. Outside, you're gonna find the perfect size patio, and it is fully fenced as well, so you don't have to worry about your fur babies getting out. Now, the yard itself, while the HOA doesn't cover this portion, I don't think you should worry about it too much because the seller said it only takes her about 8 minutes to mow this. But of course, if you wanted to hire the yard guys that do the front for the neighborhood, they can also do this portion for you for an additional fee. One more thing outside too, there is a TV jack out there for your additional entertainment needs if you like to watch TV on your patio. Some other really great amenities that you might love about this house that Rabbit Run offers is the pavilion that we're in right now. So this is included in your HOA dues. A little bit windy today, but on a nice spring afternoon, everything greens out. It's already starting, but you can see over there, you do have trails as well with the bridge, ponds, lots of walking space for getting that exercise, walking your fur babies. There's an outdoor kitchen as well as a fire pit. So lots of really great amenities here in Rabbit Run. And if I haven't mentioned it already, your HOA includes your front lawn maintenance. So that's another added perk of that low maintenance living while still having all those luxury amenities. Hopped in the car here to show you some of the notable things that are literally minutes away. So just down the road, just about 3 minutes, you have one of Oklahoma, or Broken Arrow's, most popular dog parks. It is a fabulous spot, place for both large and small dogs, but there's also seating, bathrooms on site. It's a pretty great facility here. But right across the street, you also have access to the Liberty Trails, which if you've never been down them, they are pretty fabulous, especially in the fall. Oh my gosh, to bike or walk through there, it is gorgeous. And all of that is literally within 5 minutes of where you would be living. You do have this shopping center, which has got restaurants. You got Society Burger, which is absolutely fabulous, but you've also got hair salon, nail spa. There's a Subway. There's Mexican restaurant, all kinds of food, literally just minutes away. And there's a gas station right here as well, less than 5 minutes from Rabbit Run. Literally right across the street, you have all of these places in Cedar Ridge Village, which also Sugar Llama's is right over there. I don't know if you can see that. Favorite mini donut and coffee shop, and they also have ice cream. Again, just 5 minutes from where you could call your next home. Some other things to note are you're also very close to South Tulsa and all of the shopping on Memorial. Literally anything you could want as far as shopping, entertainment, all that stuff is on South Memorial. Literally minutes from your house, but you're also close to the Rose District and all the fun to be had over there as well in Broken Arrow. Pretty great stuff. I mean, the location is everything. You also have easy highway access as well. So if you need to get to something outside of those areas, you're literally just minutes away. Just stopped at another important spot, especially if you're thinking of buying your forever home, only about 3 minutes away. Veterans, thank you for your service. The Veterans Affairs building, brand new, is right here as well. You've also got one of Hillcrest's facilities for that hospital system. But if you're not from Tulsa, you should know that Tulsa is full of medical. We have got massive St. Francis hospitals, just probably about 15 minutes from here in the South Tulsa area for literally anything medical you could need, from, scanning, urology, radiology, cancer treatment, oncologists, whatever they call that stuff. There's dentists. We even have Botox and skin stuff, and anything you could want medical is just literally minutes away in the greater Tulsa area. Some other things to note that are close by, literally 3 minutes from the house, is there's a veterinary clinic for your fur babies. There's also self-storage, and there's an allergy clinic. I think you get the idea. Just about anything you could want is just minutes away. With that though, let's get back over to the house and finish the tour. And that pretty much wraps it up. We're back here at the front door of this home. I hope you enjoy this home as much as I did. Obviously, if you're interested in it, reach out to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I'll put all the information you need to know about it in the description, all the features and upgrades, and maybe some things I haven't already touched on. And I hope that you're having a great day. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.